In this video, we'll explore the basic elements in Webflow and how to apply fundamental styling features. Let's get started. This is the Navigator panel, where you can find and manage the structure of your web page. It displays all the elements in a hierarchical order, allowing you to easily select, organize, and edit them. This is the Styling panel, where you can customize the appearance of your elements. You can adjust layout, spacing, typography, colors, backgrounds, borders, and more to style your website. First, we will select a section from the Elements panel and drag it onto the canvas. This will serve as the foundational block for structuring your content on the web page. We will also add a container to keep the content aligned and centered, ensuring a clean and organized layout for the web page. We will also add a div block and place it inside the container to group and organize specific elements within the layout. We will also add a link block inside the div container, which can be used to create clickable elements, such as buttons or linked sections for better navigation. Now, as you can see here, inside the link block, I have added elements such as an image, a headline, and a paragraph to create a visually appealing and functional content block. Now we will select a div block and give it a class so that we can style it consistently across the project. Here I am creating a class named Featured List to define and style this specific section consistently throughout the page. I am setting the width of the Featuring List class to 320 px. This will ensure that all elements inside it adjust automatically to fit within this defined width. Now I'm selecting Center for the display option to align the div block in the center of the page, ensuring a balanced layout. Now, we're going to use the Styling panel to make some changes. Here, I am changing the background color to black to give the Featured List section a sleek and modern appearance. As you can see, the background color has been changed to black. Now in the typography section, we're going to change the font to Arial for a clean and professional look. Here you can see that I have selected Arial as the font. Now, the text inside the featured list has been changed to Arial. Now, we will change the text color to white to create a clear contrast against the black background. As you can see, selecting white has changed the text color. Now I am adding 20 px padding by pressing Shift to give the featured list block element balanced spacing and a cleaner look. Here, you can see that the spacing has been adjusted evenly among all the elements. Now we will add an image to our image section. For that, we will first go to the Assets panel. In the Assets section, we will upload an image from our drive to use in the Image section. After uploading the image, we will select the Image section and go to the settings in the Styling panel to set the image in place. Now in the Image section, we will replace the image with the one we have uploaded. Here I am selecting the image that I want to upload and set in the Image section. As you can see, the image has been changed successfully in the Image section. Now I want to delete a paragraph and add a list in my Featuring List block to better organize the content. As you can see, the list element has been added to my div block, replacing the paragraph. Here in the list settings, you can see options like ordered, unordered, bullet, and no bullet. You can choose the one that fits your preference. You can edit the list items and name them as you desire to customize the content. Here I have changed the heading and list items just for example, demonstrating how you can customize them. I will change the alignment of the list items to the left for a cleaner and more organized layout. Here you can see that the alignment has been changed to the left. Now I'm adding a button inside the featured list. Here you can see a button has been added. Now I will move it inside a div block for better structure and alignment. Here I have moved a button inside the featured list. In this video, we've explored some basic features of Webflow. We'll dive into more in the upcoming videos.